Hey guys, this is AV. Today we will learn how to show dynamic timer on websites. You will have a question that what am I talking about dynamic timer? AV, we can get that with any template, but when I got to use that template for one of my projects that I did for my college, then I got to know that the timer that was shown was not dynamic, it was a static. As you can see here with the demo of this template, that whenever I reload the timer resets to its static value. And so here is our project that on every refresh the time gets changed to its actual values you can see on the seconds. So let's get started. We will be using PHP and JavaScript for this task, and as you can see, this is the basic HTML code and these extra links are the part of the template that I used, and I will give the link of the template in the description, which is free in case if you need it. Here we declare 5 variables in PHP, that is time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4 and time now, where time 1 is the targeted or future date until which the timer should run, and we are converting it to timestamp. Time 2, time 3 and time 4 are empty strings, and time now is the current timestamp of today or running date. Now complete calculations will be managed by JavaScript. Here in JavaScript, same time 1, time 2, time 3, time 4 and time now variables are declared, giving the value of the PHP variables that we declared above. As we are using echo to print out the variable, it is considered as string, and to convert it back to integer we are using parseInt function. Now all the below calculations were provided by the template itself, where variable highLowDiff is declared as 21600, which is used to calculate timestamp difference between PM and AM time, declaring time in seconds as an array with variables time 1, time 2, time 3 and time 4 as values, initiating target hour as 0. Here we are running a loop of length of time in seconds, in which if the current time is less than the particular time, then target hour is assigned that particular time and loop stops there only, else it will assign that time to temporary variable. In short, this loop will run until it will not get the highest time value, that is if it is days or hours or minutes or seconds. Then after loop it will check if the target hour is 0, and if it is, then it will calculate the diff of AM and PM time here. This calculation is used to convert the target hour to seconds, and after that this final variable diff is assigned the difference of total seconds between current time and the target of or future time. Then after, the counter variable is used to run the timer function every second. In this it is checked if the diff variable is 0, then it will clear stop the function to run it for every second, else the final calculations are done here for displaying the final timer values, where dy1 indicates days, dh1 indicates hours, dm1 indicates minutes and ds1 indicates second. Then we are decrementing diff at each second and appending all the values to the HTML as shown, and this is our final result. So this was the solution for dynamic timer. Hope you like this solution, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notification, and also don't forget to share this with all the developers. Thank you for your support. Take care. See ya.